We're on
Hi,
the
Marjorie.
Island Romance Bailey's Island
Thank you.
boat trip.
Okay.
I can't remember the name of the boat, but it's something about romance, and that's all that really matters,
Yeah.
right? It's a beautiful day.
It's Wednesday.
We're
It's a beautiful Wednesday.
on Bailey's Island.
You haven't been here in 3
I remembered the bridge. We haven't seen the rest of the island yet, but I remember the going over on the bridge 30 years ago.
It's about all you remember, right?
That's all I remember.
All right, here we go.
We're going to take them on the whole boat trip, are you?
No. Here we go. We're leaving now. So we'll have to talk to you later.
We
Bye.
can't go on a boat trip and talk at the same time.
No, you can't do that. You can only do one or the other. Either talk or go on a boat ride. Oh, God. This is going to be the one that people are like, they're so weird.
It's not on still, I don't know.
Yes. Okay.
That's show me a picture of the bridge.
The bridge. There's the bridge.
Called,
It's called the bridge.
got a name. Bailey's Island.
It's called the bridge and it has a name. The Bailey Islands Bridge.
No, it's got a name.
So the boat ride costs $14 a piece.
Did you turn it on?
No, and they would take a check, but not a charge card, so we had to pay cash.
Better not be on.